So the St. Louis BattleHawks had a mascot on the way, Archie B. Hawk. Archie as in the arches, B. Hawk. Get it? With the XFL sale finalized, and everybody's waiting on pins and needles about what's going on with the XFL 3.0, there are many more details about the league, of how the league intends to proceed and what the new commissioner will do and what they were thinking about doing during the XFL 2.0 era. Flying on the radar, all this excitement was a tweet by Kurt Hunzeker, former team president of the St. Louis BattleHawks, implying that the BattleHawks had a mascot that they were going to debut had the league stayed active. Quote, 1 year ago, the XFL BattleHawks were born. In an alternate universe, we'd be introducing this guy to St. Louis today, Archie B. Hawk. I guess they were working on a mascot and they were planning on to announce him at the end of August. In the replies to Hunzeker's tweet, former director of communications and media relations with the BattleHawks hinted Archie may not have been alone. Brian Stahl said, and if memory serves correctly, Archie wasn't coming alone. Interesting. Obviously, this news is not as significant as everything else that happened this week. Several unofficial mascots for the different teams, like the Beer Snake in D.C. and the Cheese Guys with the Guardians. However, this would have been an interesting something cool to add to the BattleHawks, and we'll see if The Rock, Danny Garcia, and Redbird Capital want to bring Archie and Archie's friends to the BattleHawks in the XFL 3.0 era.